Hello once again, this is still Dear Bee Farm. I'm not inside a farm, I'm at home. So today I went for bee harvesting and I was able to get something from one or two of the boxes. So today what I'm going to do is to do some honey extraction at home. So without wasting much of your time, these are two buckets here. So this is the honeycomb. If you look well, you can see the bees crawling inside. This is the honeycomb filled with honey. So this is the next one. Let me bring the next one for you to see. So this is the other one. Can see that? So I'm going to extract everything for you to see. And this is my extractor. This is my extractor. See that? This is the extractor. Alright. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to be putting the combs inside this sieve. I'm going to be putting the combs inside this, okay? We are needing knife. So I have to be careful because there are bees inside this. There are bees inside this bucket. Any slightest thing, I will be stung. So there's no honey here, so I will keep this one aside. So I'm going to extract this. So I'll put this one inside a bag. So there's none in this one. I'll use this one for beeswax. I may use it to bait or I'll use it to create a wax. Okay. So this one will go. I know most of them are not capped. All the combs are not 100% capped, but there's still honey here. You can see it's coming out. There's still honey. You can see honey. Get it closer. So this one will do. Baby, I have to do this.
Continue.
So the ones that have egg, I'll remove it. You can see egg, so I have to cut it off. But I will not go and press the eggs together. This is capped honey. It goes inside here. So this is their brood. I know why I removed this from that box because the boxes are the combs are so crossed. that I needed them to rebuild another one. So that's why I had to remove every comb there. So what I'm going to do is to cut it off. And just take out where the honey is. So there's honey inside here. So I'll put it here. So I'm just making sure I'm removing, we're not blocking I'm making sure I'm not going to squeeze any bee together with this. I don't want to add the egg also. Okay, so now all the combs are now inside here. So all the combs are here. So I will now close it. Use this to cover it. So what you are seeing here is raw honey, straight from the hive. So squeeze in, get this. This is what we call liquid gold. Hey, boy. So you allow it to press.